Alright, this is a video on using these insoles. The insoles are full steel and half steel, and these are used for two different injuries. Okay, when we have someone with an injury to their foot, then that's when we're going to use these. So the first one we'll talk about is the full steel. And the full steel will go in the shoe. I'll use this one. And it allows the foot to be more rigid, okay, so that it can't flex. In particular, we don't want the foot to flex right in here where the tarsals and metatarsals are going to be making their connection. Okay, if you have a forefoot sprain, the ligaments right here at this junction are stretched out and irritated. So we put this full steel splint in their shoe so that they can't flex at the forefoot, and that allows that area to rest and those ligaments have time to heal. So they can still be active and participate in their sport while they're wearing this. They just run slightly differently, but it protects this area. Now, if we have someone who has an injury to the toe, the great toe, this first digit here, okay, sometimes they'll use that the phrase turf toe as a kind of catch-all. Okay, this could be an issue with the flexor hallucis tendon, or it could be a volar plate ligament sprain on the bottom of the great toe. Okay, either one of those would sometimes be called turf toe. But what happens is that this joint in this area gets irritated and inflamed, and it hurts for them to go into this flex position, especially if they're trying to push off, toe off, and sprinting. So we have this half steel plate, this insole that will go on their shoe, and it allows those toes to stay stiff and rigid, and they don't have to be into this forced flex position whenever they're running, and it allows them to still participate in the sport and allow this area to rest. Okay, so these are really handy for those two injuries. If it's any worse than that, then we may have to go with a boot for a while to let the area rest and calm down enough for them to go back to weight bearing fully, and then we would put them in something like this. And that's it.